Too soon.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to your channel. So if you've been watching my last videos, which you should be doing, if not, you see that right there or right there. Yeah, my last videos I said that my wires were all over my bag. You see that? They was all over the place. So what I had to do, had to find me a nice bag that I can use. Ooh, you see that? Had to find me a nice bag that I can use to put all my wires in. So I found this beautiful thing right here. So if you are traveling, if you want to keep your stuff looking sexy, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how you can do that very, very easily. Roll the intro. All right, guys, so the bag I purchased was this ProCase bag right here. You'll see when I switch to my overhead cam, a close-up of this bag, but this bag is very, very convenient. So let's get over to my desk, get some nice little lighting on it. Let me show you what I got in this bag. All right, guys, so let's get into it. So you can see this is the case I got right here. This is the ProCase. Very, very, very good reviews on Amazon. I'll link it in the description for this very exact one. I forgot how much I paid for. I want to say it was like 13 or 14 bucks, but awesome case to carry your wires in. Since I got this, I've been using this for about 4 or 5 days, and I really love this. Shout out to my man's right here, Killmonger. Goated, probably the most goated villain in any superhero movie. Love him. Let's flick him a little bit. Let's get into this. Like I say, this is the ProCase right here. So let's open it up. You see, if I turn around the corner, only thing I might not like about this is this right here. Maybe it takes me getting used to, but sometimes I like my stuff to lay down flat. But it's not too bad. Almost like a kickstand. You see that? Let's get into it. So simply open this up, right? And it rolls out just like that. Cool. It rolls out just like that. Let's quickly get inside what I got in here. So immediately what you can see is my wires. The wires I carry with me is simply a USB cable, USB lightning cable, obviously. Duh. Get out of here. This is a Type-C cable. These came with my Rode Video Wireless Go set. I got 2 of these, so I keep one here. Also, because of USB-C, I can use this for my other devices. I can use it with my power bank to charge my MacBook up too, so I keep that in there. Also, we have another USB Type-C. This is the one I normally use for my MacBook Pro when I don't have my other cable. It's gonna be a short video because I just carry my essentials in here. This is your emergency case. This is stuff you use when you need your stuff and you can't find it. So let's keep it going. In these small pockets right here, I keep my most important adapters with me. Of course, we gotta have one of these. I'm really mad because I bought one of these because I thought I lost it. As soon as I lost it, I found it. So I bought one when I didn't need one. So I got 2. So that's one of them. And here's the other one. All right? So I got 2 of those. This is the knockoff one. This was Walmart, $4. This is Apple. How much this cost? 20 bucks, something like that. I don't know. But also have my camera connection kit. See, I still have the late 2018 or early 2018 iPad Pro. The one that doesn't have Type-C. Does it have Type-C? The one that doesn't have the full screen. So I use the camera connection kit with that. I plug up my external hard drive. I'm running iOS 13, so I need this to connect my hard drive to my iPad. Going along, we have some memory, some storage, your basic USB, yeah, trash. We have some SIM cards. We have anything else in there? Nope. Moving along to this center pack. I like this right here. This is like made for a battery pack right here. See this right here? Ah! So this is, you've seen this in my other videos. If you haven't seen it, no, left side of the screen. This is my battery pack. This is my 30,000 milliamp external battery pack. I love this thing right here. It never fails me. Killmonger, scoot over. It never fails me. I love this thing. It has a light on it. Sorry for blinding y'all, but I love this so much. Keep that for all emergency situations when I need to charge something up. I'm always on the go, so I keep it with me all the time. Moving along, we have my Shure SE215s. I don't go anywhere without my Shure SE215s. These are the headphones that I normally ride my motorcycle with because it's so freaking loud. These block out a lot of sound. I used to put my AirPods, but they weren't really good with isolation. SE215E, I will do a review on these because these are probably my favorite headphones I own. You can crank these up to 100% and have no distortion. Love these headphones so much. Okay, let's move right along. Of course, you gotta have a nice dongle, and I still haven't got me a new dongle. This thing, whatever, I'm not gonna talk about it right now because I'm getting mad. That's that. Another USB Type-C, it goes with my Rode Wireless Go. We have this right here, which is my cable for my external hard drive. That's somewhere around here, probably in my tech bag. If you haven't seen that video, again, card right there, go watch it. And finally, last thing I keep in here is a nice short USB micro cable. To charge stuff as my DJI Osmo 2, Mobile 2, I use this. But guys, that is everything I carry in this. You can see already how much more organized my wires are. So I'm gonna pack this up. I'm gonna talk to you guys for a few seconds. So guys, that is my new travel tech bag, my emergency tech bag, my wire tech bag, whatever you want to call it, by ProCase. Very, very awesome, very compact. I throw it in my bag, and I get it going. So if it's your first time, I told you guys, if it's your first time here, do me a huge favor, press the subscribe button. I appreciate everyone who's been supporting the channel so far. It really helps us grow when we get some interaction with the channel. A like, a comment, a subscription. It really causes the algorithm to be in our favor, and I get to make awesome videos for you guys. But I thank you anyway if you're just enjoying the channel. Be back with another video. Tech West, your bacon. We out.